already got it on. Yeah, I can see it. I can see myself. So we cut this one, the green one for that's a guideline. And the white one is a mirror. We left that one. And we're running the wire through there. We're just gonna hide it under here. I'll show you later. And then here's our ground for the radio, and we just connected the yellow RCA to the back along with the reverse wire. We wired it up to the reverse cable in the back of our Sony double-din head unit with the JDM bezel. We ran it through. It's up here, and it's just this little hole right here. You might have a boot right there. Just run it, and you could catch it with your hand through there. Just stick it in there, and you'll feel it. It takes a little bit of time, but you get it. Grounded to right here. It's right in the back.
Who made this beat?
This is what it looks like at night in reverse. So as you can see, it's pretty dark out. I mean, we have that light right there, but like behind, you see it's dark. You can't really see much. There's the sky. You can't really see nothing at all, honestly. But right there, it's really easy. You could easily see where you're going, and switch back to that.